Hello friends. Next we are checking variables in C. So what is variables? Variables are the containers for storing data values like numbers and character. Suppose we have one value that value we need to use multiple times in our program. So in that case we can use variables. Okay. Suppose printf here is 2026, then one new line. Okay, in the next line also printf current year is 2026. So in this 2026 we are using multiple times, right? We are just run this, we are getting year is 2026, current year is 2026. Instead of using this in hardcode mode, we can use variables. So this 2026, that is an integer value, right? So we can declare variables like data type and variable name. Some of the data types in C are int, that include whole numbers. It stores whole numbers. Float means it stores decimal numbers. Char means it stores a single character. Suppose here we need to declare one variable like whole number. So here we can declare int year. And we can assign this value 2026 here. So in this printf, we can remove this value. Here we need to use, we are using integer here. So here we need to use one format specifier percentage %d. That's for integer. And here we can put one comma. We can pass that variable here. Same like here also current year is 2026. We can remove this percentage %d. We can put here. Now we can just run this code. See, we are getting the same output. Here is 2026, current year is 2026. So here we are assigning this value to this variable year. We are not assigning here any value here. We will just run, then we will get some random values. 7267, 32765. So after declaring this variable, we can again send the value here equal to 2026. This also possible. We just run this. Now also we are getting the same outputs. So after this first printf, I need to change this here. So here we can tell here equal to 2027 like that. Now we will run. We will get year is 2026. Current year is 2027. Okay. So this is like an whole number. Suppose I want to print some decimal values also. So in that case, we can use float values. Float, we can tell price. Then price equal to, we can tell 100.50. So here we can tell price is, here we are using floating point, right? So here we need to use percentage f, comma, we can tell price. We can just run. Now we are getting price is 100.5, 5 zeros. So it is up to 6 digit it will get. We need to get this to 2 digit. So here we can tell point. We can just run this. Now we are getting the output of price is 100.50. Okay. Next variable we can just check with the character also. Okay. So here we can tell character, we can check some grade. In character we can store on only single value only. So in the grade we can tell A. That is grade is A. Here we can tell grade is, in character case we can tell percentage C. That is grade. We can run this. So now you can see grade is A. So variables are the containers for storing data. Values like numbers, characters, strings, also we can store. Okay. Other data types we can check in the next video. Okay, thank you.